Welcome to Green Matters News, your source for all the most important green news stories from around the globe. In this week's episode, we learn how fast solar energy adoption is growing, what company has sold 1 million veggie hot dogs in just 2 months, what tiny island nation will host the world's largest microgrid, and what is a holy turtle and how does it pick up ocean trash? Let's get to it. A new report predicts solar electricity production could grow 65-fold by 2050, which is great news since solar power is one of the most abundant, efficient, and clean sources of energy available. The report also estimated that 72 million new homes will be solar-powered by 2030 as access to cheap, sustainable sources of energy continues to expand. Swedish furniture company Ikea began offering a veggie hot dog on their menu a couple months ago in an effort to reduce its carbon emissions. The eco-friendly decision already paid off. The company reports it already sold 1 million of the plant-based hot dog. Ikea claims its new veggie alternative has approximately 7 times less CO2 emissions per kilogram than its standard version. When planning your next vacation, think about visiting the Pacific island nation of Palau. It might be the 13th smallest country in the world, but just announced big news last week that it will soon become the home of the world's largest microgrid, something that could help them reach their goal of using 70% renewable energy by 2050. SodaStream is removing plastic waste directly from the ocean with a new device. Dubbed the Holy Turtle, this 1,000-foot-long unit traps trash in the water, and it just completed a mission off the coast of Honduras. Garbage collected from this trash patch will be displayed in an exhibition designed to illustrate the dangers of single-use plastics. And for our green tip of the week, just because something looks like plastic doesn't mean it necessarily goes in the recycling bin. Bioplastics, or plant-based plastics, are usually made out of cornstarch and look exactly like plastic. Look for "made with plants" on the packaging, because these kinds of plastics are completely different in chemical composition. They contaminate the recycling process, and thus should only go in compost or waste bins. And that's your weekly roundup for all the good things that mattered last week. For more Green Matters news, please visit us at www.greenmatters.com and follow us on Instagram at Green Matters. And if you like the show, please don't forget to like us and tell your friends about Green Matters news. Keep up the green work, everyone!